So lately I've been wanting to take a break from tracking and just do some mic comparisons to go over my color palette, see what I got at the studio. We're doing all of this from Studio Fast Forward in Montreal, Canada. And I'm trying out some overheads, pairs that we've got lying around the studio. Some of them which I don't really use that often. So we have pairs that range anywhere between $200 for the pair to $5,000 for the pair in Canadian dollars. So as we listen to the examples, I'll put the picture up, the name of the mic, and approximately what it's worth, or what I paid for them. So enjoy. So unfortunately, I wasn't intending on doing a video with this, so my playing isn't exactly the same in every takes. But we at least do get to hear the drums through the lens of a different pair of microphones, which is sort of interesting. For the next pass, what I did is I just cut up some of the fills, and hopefully we can hear the toms a little bit, see how they pop out in the image, how fat they are, how distant they are. So for the last segment, I took sections where I was playing on the ride, and it's fun to compare how much sizzle comes out with the different pairs of overheads, and also the weight of the stick. Sometimes the attack is a bit more pronounced, and sometimes it's a bit thinner. So we can have a listen. So I hope all of you enjoyed this, and I'd love to make another one of these, maybe a bit more consistent next time, and we have quite a few more pairs to try out at the studio. So stay tuned. If you want to subscribe and hit the bell, then you'll get a notification next time I upload one of these. I would like to do another series with overheads, but we have a lot of preamps that would be fun to compare as well. And we're probably going to get into some other instruments at some point, so stay tuned.